All right. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. All right. Sorry, everyone. Getting started a few minutes late here today, but I appreciate everyone for bearing with me, and welcome, everyone. What up? Crawford, Swarls, Zach, and Ken. What's up, everyone?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thank you, everyone, for being here, as always. And happy Friday. Great way to end the week. Okay. So, today is Friday, October 21st, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And what up, Low Roller and Peasy? What's up, guys? Appreciate everyone. A lot of people in here today. Can already tell this is going to be a great show. A lot of people in here. And the market conditions are right. Friday, best day for streaming. Green day. So the conditions are right for lots of retail views today. So appreciate everyone. Okay, and today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Yes, all major indexes in the green. I think crypto is in the red. I did not check, but I think crypto's in the red, but all major indexes in the green here. Huge day for the stock market. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. Even myself, as a rainbow bear, made some pretty fat tendies today, which we'll get to in a second here. But yeah, green day, lots of tendies going around. So I hope you guys printed some fat tendies. All right, let's catch up on some comments real quick. Biden announced his student loan forgiveness application is now being accepted. That's not surprising. There was talk about that happening soon. And it was going to happen eventually, so... it is what it is. Oh, I don't know why I did that. I guess Democrats are really desperate for votes. Yeah, actually we do have an article about Biden and his predictions about the midterms coming up. So you guys are getting a little ahead of me here. Oh yeah, Democrats are pulling out all the stops here. Whatever they need to do. The Democrats won't win midterms with such childish decisions. Well, never say never. We never said never, but just don't underestimate. That's all I'll say. You never know till it's over. That's what everyone thought about Trump, and then the guy actually became president. So logic would say that the Democrats are pretty screwed next month. But then again, it's never over till it's over. So you're not going to know till the vote goes through. Finally, IMPP earning and running. I think I did see IMPP today. Didn't you cut, though? Anyway, congrats to everyone with IMPP. The saddest thing is it's crystal clear. Yeah, we're not stupid. Republicans wouldn't do anything in 2 years from now. Democrat win the Senate and House. Same repeat the process. No, it's just how U.S. politics works, Every couple of years, you switch. You keep changing out the House, the Senate. This party has a majority. This party doesn't have majority. Filibuster, block, blah, blah, blah. Same old BS, In 2 years from now, the Democrats very well could win the Senate and House back. Or they may even just keep it. Probably not, though. We'll see. All I'm saying, guys, is, just don't be so confident. Anything is possible. Be prepared for anything. Poor policies, can't wait for those imbeciles to get GTFO. Agreed. And you're not even American, dude. You deserve to be an American more than, actual Americans, bro. Americans don't know their politics, don't know the news, anything. That's pretty funny. You buying Snap stock on the dip? Do I buy stocks, dude? No. Hell no. I used to have Snap at 20. No, I'm not buying Snap. Please tell me that you didn't sell Netflix. No, I sold Netflix. Why? What happened? Did something happen? What happened to Netflix? Oh my god. Wow, okay. Alright, clown on me. I deserve that one. Clown on me. I'm taking it in good spirits, though. Yeah, so I just looked at Netflix. It's at $290. I sold at $280, so it's not too bad. Because there was a huge gap up. We'll look at Netflix in a second here. So I sold at $280. It's not that bad. But yeah, I probably should have held on a little bit longer. That's all right. That's all right. Um, you know, can't win them all. And I'm just very grateful that I hit IMUX yesterday. So that makes up for all the Netflix. You know what we should do? We should take bets. We should take bets on who wins the midterms, who wins 2024. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. Alright, let's move on from the, well, I guess we really can't move on from the politics. A lot of our content is centered around politics today. Have to make money back from IMPP, bro. Ken, what did you do with, IMUX? Are you still in there, or did you cover? I'm very curious. Because I did see it did go back up to 270, so I was not sure, if you covered, or you're still diamond balls, or what. Let me know, dude. American doesn't know geography stuff. Americans don't know anything. Americans are stupid, bro. Well, everyone's stupid, but Americans, like, especially. Just way too privileged. And, for their own good. But there... So many comments. The show is going crazy today. But there are higher powers we will never be able to stop. I'm down for the bet. A lot of comments. Give us the clown, please, for Netflix. I already did it, but here it is again. Netflix gained 2 million subs. I thought Netflix would lose subs 1 million each quarter. That's what they said last earnings. So they just should have lied to Wall Street. They were like, yeah, it's going to be bad. And they probably just bought insider buying, stock buybacks, probably a lot of shady stuff going on. I'm down for the bet. I don't know how that's possible, how we would actually do a bet, but that'd be a good idea. $100 the House goes to the Republicans in the midterms. I mean, I think everyone would take that bet. I think the Senate's going to the Republicans. Definitely the Senate. The House, maybe not. The House would be harder to take than the Senate. But the Senate is dead even right now. It's 50-50. So it's not going to be hard to take the Senate. The House, I think the Democrats do have a small advantage there right now. So we'll see how it goes. I think it's going to get taken over completely. Well, we'll see. But I definitely think the Senate's getting taken over. Okay. I cover and I bought 203 and ride to 250. Are you still in there, or did you sell that? Dude, you're going full Chad mode, huh? All right, dude. Just be careful. I'm glad you're going Chad mode, playing volatility both sides, but, it's highly risky. Just be careful, dude, but I'm glad you're making your money back there. You're out? All right, congrats, dude. Should probably not go back. Not financial advice. So everyone's printed tennies today. Waiting to reshort. Reshort at what, dude? Maybe it's a better idea just to stay away, but alright, good luck to you. Team Crawford says he also thinks Republicans taking the House. Go to Vegas to bet politics at the casino? You don't even need to go to Vegas. You can go to you can just do it on DraftKings. Hey Nicole, what's up? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you as always. Brazil election next week. I didn't know that. I don't think anyone cares. Would I vote for Kanye West for 2024? Probably not, but I tell you what, quite honestly, if it's Kanye West versus Joe Biden, I'm taking Kanye West. Straight up. Not that I'm proud of that, but straight up, yes. I would take Kanye over Joe Biden. That's not saying much. Republican take over, no more printing, inflation. There is already no more printing, dude. His name is... Oh, yeah, he changed his name. That's right, he changed... He's not Kanye anymore. He's just Ye. I don't know why. It's always going to be Kanye to me. If my only options, I'm voting Kanye over Biden. Yeah, I agree. You know what? We should do something here. Let's have some fun. Let's do a poll. Okay, how do I... Alright, we're learning how to use this. This is all new to me. Let's do a poll. Boom. Hey, wow, first poll, let's go. Alright, everyone, put your votes in. Alright, we're just chilling, we're having fun today. We're chilling. Yeah, great show already. We didn't even get to any content yet, but we're just chilling. A lot of people in here. Appreciate everyone. How about Kim for 2024 president? You mean Kim Kardashian? Please no. Please no. Did George W. Bush print unlimited money in Iraq? No, dude. He didn't print any money. Baby from Cash Money Records? Lil Baby? Oh, Do Kwon. Do Kwon 2024. If Ye is running, I'll become a U.S. citizen just to vote for him. I don't know. All right, so we got 5 votes, and everyone said Kanye. Wow, no one likes Joe Biden. He ain't that bad. I mean, I tolerate him. I don't like him too much, but he ain't the worst. But everyone would rather go with Kanye over Joe Biden. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Okay. Would you vote for Elmo? That's not a real candidate, though. No, I'd take Biden over a fictional character. Kim Kardashian versus Biden? I'm gonna take Biden. I'm gonna take Biden. You got Dumb and Dumber. Careful, bro. Oprah might take on a run 2024. Please no. Please no. I think I'd take Biden over Oprah. Yeah. The Rock would make great president. All the biceps in the White House. And all the roids, right? All the roids. Anyway, guys. So, this is great. But we have a show to get to. So, let's move on. And we do have more politic content. We have some articles coming up about our man Joe Biden. So, yeah. Great show already. Appreciate everyone. But let's get started. Okay. Cool. I don't even know what the hell I was saying. Oh, okay. So, yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily... Alright, so today's show, honestly, we're gonna have to wing today's show. Not totally wing, but, so I was doing the TA for Snap, and I did not have enough time to finish before we got started with the show here. So, my fault, guys. So, we may either... I may either have to, like, do some live TA, like, just with no notes, or I can do the stuff that I have with my notes, and I can just make some bonus content after the show and just edit that all into one video. We'll see how it goes, but I do not have a complete TA done on Snap, which we were going to talk about today. But yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Let's see here. We have 5 articles today. 5 articles. One about Celsius. An update about Celsius. We've been discussing Celsius for a while. They have a new saga in their story. One about Olympus DAO. One about the new retirement account rules. One about our budget deficit, and one about Joe Biden and his predictions about the midterms. So all minor articles there, nothing too serious. So yeah, 5 articles, and then yeah, but we'll get to Snap, and we'll see how that goes. It's like I said, it's gonna be choppy because I don't have a full TA done, so we're either gonna do we're either gonna wing it or do a half-ass TA, and then I'll finish it up after the show, and I'll edit it all into one nice video. But yeah, news Snap today, and then we'll get to the Yolos. How many Yolos today? 11 Yolos today, and I think a lot of memes, and a lot of gain corn. So yeah, today should be pretty chill. I think we're gonna go at least 2 hours today. I don't know. We'll see. I don't have too much content, but you guys are chatting like crazy, and I'm always willing to stay. Well, not past 7, but as long as it's within 3 hours, I'm willing to stay as long as you guys want. So yeah, don't have too much content. 5 articles, some questionable TA on Snap, and YOLOs. Tie for president? Actually, you know what? I actually used to want to be president. I'm really interested in politics, but as I got older, I'm just a very private person, and I don't want my business out there for the whole world to see, and just the paparazzi all over me all the time. I don't even want to be famous. I guess I am getting famous though. But yeah, I used to want to be a politician, but nah, I just can't do that. Just no privacy in your life. And then they just dig up your past and everything, and it's crazy. Tenny Town, let's go. Yeah, everyone getting tennies. Ty is neutral. I'm neutral on what? Yeah, I can build a following right now. Build a following, a couple of years, and then I'll run for president. Imagine. Live Rainbow Bear, new segment. I mean, I guess we have been doing it. It's not an official segment, but we have been live Rainbow Bearing. Live TA for Snap. Yeah, we'll get to Snap. Can you take a look at Sheep? When will it go to $1? Keep dreaming, dude. Not for a while. Not for a while. But I don't think we're gonna look at Sheep, dude. I would, but we're like very behind so far, and then I have to go in a trading view, so it's just kind of out of the way. I don't even think I have the TA done on Sheep. So maybe another time. Not today, sorry, dude. Yo, IMX got a downgrade. Can you check it from Hedgie? Sure, dude. But IMUX is pretty much done. Like everyone should just exit their trades, long and shorts. It's done. My Snap call didn't make it to 8 to break even. Oh yeah, so you did make a paper trade. I didn't even see how that went. I saw you posted on Discord, but I didn't see the actual play. So I guess it didn't work out, huh? They usually don't. These FDs. So good practice. They found Ty naked sleeping with 420 on paparazzi. Ain't gonna catch me doing that. But yeah, I don't think politics is a job for me. What up, Machete? What's up? Long time, dude. Since I've seen you here in the show. Appreciate you. Welcome back.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
All right, so we just spent 25 minutes. Well, really 20 minutes because we got started late here, but 20 minutes just chilling. So yeah, let's do the show now, guys. So appreciate everyone. Yeah, it's gonna be a great show. All right, let me end the poll here too. Actually, you know what? We'll just keep the poll up. Why not? We'll keep it up for now. Okay, and before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. And by the way, guys, sorry about the siren. So I did post a video this morning actually about my live reaction to IMUX yesterday, and I think it was pretty hilarious. I think it was pretty good content. It was genuine, So if you guys, please check that out. I think that was one of the better videos. It was just me, just like, whoa, what the hell? Like, oh my god, look at the attendees. So go check that out, guys. All right, let's do it. Okay. So let's look at Netflix first, because you guys telling me about this. So yeah, I think I sold at 275 or 280. I think it's 275, and now it's up to 290. So good. But what you gonna do? 150 bucks. I had 15 shares, so that would have been 150 bucks. It's all right. Yeah, I just got scared about the gap. I saw the gap, and I'm like, oh hell no, it's coming back down. So I just sold off right there, and just keeps on moving. So yeah, kind of sucks. Should have held a little longer, but oh well, what you gonna do? All right, let's do a scan. Any live Rainbow Bear plays? All right, I'm not seeing Ape is going up a little bit. I'm not really seeing much aftermarket action here. Yep. All right, so we'll come back to this. Nothing going on right now. Now let's get to my plays today. Okay. And Saito. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. All right, so let's get to my plays today. So a pretty good day for me. Not complaining. Oh, Saito's in the green now. Let's go. All right, so yeah, so APDN still holding that one down 2% today. Made 55 bucks. I want to unload this one. I'm still down 500 bucks there though, 510. So I really don't want this bag anymore, but I'm just holding and I'm cutting as soon as I break even. ACOR. So this one I'm finally not holding the bag anymore. I'm actually in the green. It was down 100%. Now I'm in the green. And there's not much price action anymore. So I made 70, yeah, like 75 today on ACOR. Now in the green. I want to cut that soon at 50, I think. Gonna cover that soon. Yeah, crazy stock there. So I was down 100%. Now I'm gonna break even. NXTP. So holding this one from yesterday. This one, another one, I was down like 75%. Now I'm in the green, 15%. So I'm up 855 on NXTP today, and I'm planning to cover at 25. So a little bit more downside to go here. Before I cover that, CABA, Kaba. This one I showed it yesterday. No, I showed this one yesterday. 165, and now it's at 171. So I was down, but I made 305 back today, but still down 95 overall on that. But still gonna hold that over the weekend. Probably gonna keep pulling back on Monday, and then Mullen MULN shorted that one yesterday at 35. I was up a couple $100, but it came back, so I got stopped out at 34, so I barely broke even there. A little bit of money. And the last one, Saito, CYTO, Saito. So shorted this one this morning at 48. It went a bit crazy. I was down about 50%, but now we finally are back in the green. So overall, every single play in the green today. I had 7 plays, and they're all in the green. So no red for me. And overall, I made 1,355 today. That's exactly what I made yesterday, too. Wow, okay. So, yeah, even Rainbow Bears printing today. IMAX video equals inverse go reaction. Yes. I don't think I've ever seen anyone with like a live reaction video who was a short. It's always just a bull getting wrecked, like, oh, but never a short, like, yeah. So I think I'm starting something new here. This could be a new thing. Yep, exactly. Inverse go. That's a good way to put it. MF is up from 165. Open today, 257. Can a hangman be green? Like $sign rope, right? Cash sign rope. Yeah, MF, that wasn't running for a while. I tried to short that a couple times, actually, and thank God it never got filled, because that went crazy. Yeah, that's been a hot stock lately, low-key. MF has really small flow. You can get burned really fast. You can also make a lot of money really fast, too, so it goes both ways. All right, guys, so there's my play store today. So made 1,355 today, as of this moment. I'll take it, not bad. So last week was epic G, and this week is like epic tendies. That's how it goes. You guys saw my chart, right? I posted it on Discord. My monthly chart. It goes little, bam, G, and then rocket right back up. It's crazy. Okay. We can make a meme out of it. Yeah, why not? Alright, I think I'm going to take down the poll now. Alright. So, no, Joe Biden got 0 votes. That's saying something. Okay. Alright, we got something here. WTRH. Is there any news? There was news yesterday. There's news yesterday in the afternoon, so I'm not really sure why this is mooting now. Delayed reaction on WTHR. So we'll keep an eye on WTHR. I want to go for it, but the news was yesterday, so this isn't really making too much sense. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. But other than that, I'm not seeing anything else. All right, no Rainbow Bear, no live Rainbow Bear action going on here. Made some fat tennies today, eating that BBQ sauce with NXTP profits. Yep. Yes, I forgot you were also in there, dude. So I'm assuming you covered. Maybe not. I'm still in there. I'm trying to cover at 25. But yeah, me and Swirls making some tennies on NXTP. And Kaba is down to 171 now, dude. Dude, you should have held it. Honestly, you should have held it. You could reshort it if you want. It's still not too late. Yeah, they launched home and delivery service, but that was yesterday's news. That's not breaking news. So this is not making any sense why it's mooning right now. So it's like a delayed reaction or something. Thoughts on Neo? NETA would be nice. Didn't we do it yesterday? I think I said it was coming back down to 940. Yep. 940. Probably coming back down to 940. Fill this gap here. It's almost there already, which I never thought would happen, but here we are. So probably coming back down to 940. China's go right now, so, you know. But there are a lot of gap downs, too. Multiple gap downs. It looks bullish. Cup and handle. Got a channel forming here. Descending channel. Low RSI. So the chart does look really bullish, but honestly, I think it's going to keep pulling back. Just too much China FUD right now, and just the overall market's not doing good. Okay. And what else we're looking at? When we look at IMUX for downgrade. Yeah, Leerlink. Leerlink downgraded. So yes, that is a hedge fund downgrade, and I think we got helped out there by the hedgies. It definitely seems like a hedgy short attack. I'm not gonna lie. Something very shady was happening there, and I'm just glad that we were on the right side of it this time. Yeah, SVB Leerlink, one of the more shady hedge funds. They definitely were in there manipulating it. It's them and HC Wainwright. Those are the two that are very, very shady. HC Wainwright, SVB Leerlink. Remember that, guys. If you see them in there, some BS is about to happen. Short ladder attack? Like actually, though. Like, actually, I'm pretty sure it was. Is that bull flag? What, on the 1 minute? What bull flag? This? Wouldn't really call it a bull flag. But it's going up in the aftermarket. That's good for Monday. No, it doesn't really look like a bull flag to me, but yeah, it is bullish. Okay. Cool. Saito's coming down now. Saito is starting to pull back. This is nice. And A-Core is at 51. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. This is good. This is good. All right. What do we do now? Watch list. All right, we got to speed it up a little bit here because we are kind of behind. So we're not going to spend too much time here. Okay. What the hell? All right, there we go. All right, let's do it. So the Dow Jones up 2.47%, NASDAQ up 2.39%, and the S&P up 2.43%. Major attendees here today. So, pretty surprising. I thought today was going to be good. Especially the futures this morning were pretty red, and then it just totally reversed. And Fridays are usually sell-off day. So, hey, not complaining. I mean, as a bear, I'd rather it not be green, but I did make some fat tendies today, so I could care less. Everyone's making tendies today. I hope everyone makes tendies. Bears, bulls, everyone. So, yeah, major day here today. Great way to end the week. The VIX is down 0.97 points, down 0.29, down 0.97%, down 0.29 points. So we're at 29.69 VIX now, 30 VIX, which we've been sitting at for a while now, a little bit. So still not great, but better than 35, better than 40, and ideally, you know, in the short term here, we come back down slowly to 20. And kind of weird, the VIX should have went down more than 1%, but okay. Sometimes the VIX doesn't make sense. So 350 was the bottom. A bottom? Yes. I don't know, bro. Let's see. I don't think it is. I don't think it is. But one can hope. I don't think it's the bottom, but we'll see. We'll see. I sure hope it is, but honestly, I don't think it is. VIX is indicating that SPY will move by 2% on daily basis. I mean, it literally has been. And stay tuned for the memes later, because I literally have a meme that says SPY is a meme stock now, because it literally is a meme stock. SPY, blue chip value stocks, are not supposed to trade like this. This is ridiculous. Anyway, okay. Watch list. Gonna take a quick drink. I'm really rooting for a major short squeeze up to new highs on what, SPY? Let me cover first, and then you guys can squeeze as much as you want. Don't squeeze me. Don't squeeze me. Okay. All right, let's check it out. So IMPP, 15.55%. Very nice. Going up in the aftermarket. Huge win there. What else we got here? Vaccine stocks doing really well. Novavax, 12.6. Moderna, 8.4. Netflix, big day, 8%. I don't know why. Netflix have more news? Why is it going up so much today? What happened with Netflix? It just says whales. Whales are jumping in. Okay. And a few price upgrades. Big day for Netflix. Yeah, Mullen, honorable mention. MULN, 7.3%. Not sure why that's holding up so well, but it's not going to last. Oxygen, even Oxygen, 7%. 6.8%. A lot of memes here. Wish. Damn, JP Morgan. Big day here. 5.25%. That's pretty odd. Pfizer, 4.75%. So there's a lot of value, like pretty deep in the green here today. GM, 4.7%. MGM, 4.5%. Yeah. There's a lot of value, like super in the green here today. Amazon 3.5, Disney 3.5, Tesla 3.5, gold 3.5. Come on, bro. Yeah, so literally, the whole market's a meme stock. The whole market's a meme. This is not supposed to happen. Either way, value stocks are not supposed to move like this. Green or red. This is too much price action. What else we got here? There's GME, Ford, 3.6%, huge day. Bank of America, 3.7. Target, 3.1. Apple, 2.7. Microsoft, 2.5. All right, so this is like getting into, more standard stuff. Because it is possible for value stocks to go up 2%, but not very likely. But today, everything's just moving like 3%. This is crazy. Yeah, Microsoft 2.5, Chevron 2.5. Anyway, pretty much everything in the green. Everything in the green. Kind of hard not to make tendies today as a bull. And even as a bear, it's kind of hard not to make tendies. And on the red side, not much in the red here. So Snap, which we will analyze very shortly, 28% down. Yeah, and some memes here. Bed Bath & Beyond. Twitter getting wrecked. About 5%. Verizon, I think they had bad earnings or something. Yeah, that's bad. 4.5% Verizon. AVCT still going down. Blue Apron. Anyway. So literally everything's in the green except for like Snap. Pretty much everything except whatever had bad earnings. Or had earnings, because Snap had good earnings and it's still going down. But yeah, really not much in the red today. Bulls are printing. And even the Rainbow Bears should have been printing as well today. So, yeah, shout out to everyone. Fat tendies today. You get tendies. You get tendies. You get tendies. Yo, my TikTok is blowing up in the past few days. Go follow me on TikTok, guys. At Smarter Gambling, one word. Yeah, my TikTok is like getting pretty popular. Nice. Okay. Netflix got upgraded. JP Morgan said it could go as much as 40%. Yeah, still down a lot from the high, though. So yeah, probably just a lot of institutional money and whales jumping in. Today was OPEX day. The system was overloaded with puts. There wasn't no way in hell the market makers were gonna let all them puts finish in the money. All right, so can't prove it, but yes, there definitely is something going on every day, and especially on Fridays. They always pin it at a certain price to wreck the apes. Was probably cheaper to let a lower amount of calls go in the money. Yeah, so probably next week they're going to take it right back down. Next week, prepare for good next week, guys. Agree with Machete, price action was really mechanical. Yeah, it was. It just kept going up all day. All day, just pump, 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 pump. It was really, really weird. And the futures were red, too, so that was interesting. Futures were, like, really red, and then pump, 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 pump all day. Yep. Max Payne was at 373 for SPY. Hey, I hope so. You're talking about today. Oh, you're talking about today. Okay, got you. AM made 16K on Mullen last couple of days. Nice, dude. Congrats. Very happy for you. All I'll say is, if you haven't sold yet, consider selling very soon. That is not really a stock you should be holding for the long term. It's definitely not. So, just take your profits. Get out. Hit the sell button. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's the stock market, guys. Let's do another scan, then get on to crypto and the news. We are very behind. That's all right. All right, I still don't see any aftermarket action. Let me pull up Market Chameleon here. So let me pull up everything actually. All right, 1 second, guys. Okay. All right, let's see here. Market Chameleon, nothing going on. All right, no aftermarket action. All right, let's give this a few seconds to finish loading, and then we'll get on to crypto and the news today. At one point in the middle of the day, SPO was higher than its futures, which I've never seen before. Interesting. I don't really pay attention much to the futures, but yeah, that is that is not supposed to happen. Very uncommon. So Saito is pulling back down to 46 now. Nice. So I'm up 60. So I was down like 40%, 45%. Now I'm actually in the green. Diamond balls. Okay. Cool. All right, gonna take a quick drink and we'll get started with crypto and the news here today. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. And matter of fact, let me check YouTube, see where we're at. All right, it says 3 viewers, 9 likes. Are there really only 3 viewers? Because there were so many people here. I think there's more than 3 viewers. I think YouTube's lying. There's so many people in here right now. That can't be right. But yeah, guys, if you haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right. Okay. Let's do it. All left to spend money on booze and service providers for the weekend. Or you can keep the money and keep rainbow bearing with it. And then next week, you have money for more booze and more service providers. Ah. Right? Where's the meme for that? Right? Knowledge, right?
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Yep. Yeah, premium escorts. Yep. You got to save the money and keep stacking it for that. Okay, cool. I don't know why lagging here a little bit. Whatever. Oh, crypto. Excuse me. Oh, crypto's in the green. All right, so here's crypto. That's up 0.85% today. So I thought crypto was in the red. So this is a pleasant surprise. Nice. So not the biggest price action, but yeah, slightly bullish day here in crypto. I'll take it. Let's check it out. What do we got? Bitcoin up 0.66%, at 19.2K now. Ether up 1.5%, holding 1,300. Yeah, so it looks like 19K and 1,300 are critical supports for those coins. XRP up 3.7, Cardano 2.5, Doge down 0.65. Solana down a little bit. Yeah, I'm really not seeing too much price action here. But yeah, it definitely looks like more coins in the green and more value in the green. But yeah, let's sort this out. Okay, so let's just call it 75% of the coins in the green and 25% of the coins in the red. And so I guess we'll start on the red side. All right, so yeah, this is not bad at all. So 25% of the coins in the red, Biggest loser is Axie Infinity, 5%. So that's really not that bad. Biggest loser is 5% down. That's nothing, bro. Any value here? Polkadot. Yeah, not much value. Uniswap, Polkadot, Leo, Dogecoin. That's about it. So yeah, like I said, not many coins in the red, and the coins that are in the red, not much price action. And most of the coins in the red are growth, not high market cap coins. And yeah, on the green side, probably the opposite. Most of the coins in the green, price action also wasn't that great. Biggest gainer is Casper, 14%, and then Quant, 11.8%. Only coins in the double digits. But yeah, price action definitely way more price action on the green side, and decent amount of value here. We got Quant, Apecoin, XRP, Cardano, sure, a lot of other stuff. So yeah, that would do it. So slightly bearish, slightly bullish day here in crypto. Not much happening, but yeah, more coins in the green and more value in the green. That would do it. So yeah, overall, guys, really good day here for the bulls and even the bears, I guess. So yeah, massive day in the stock market, slightly bullish day in the crypto market, but overall, tendies everywhere. Tendies everywhere. Congrats to everyone. Okay, let's get on to the news. I don't know why I'm not getting frames here. Maybe my scanner is up? Hold up. Yeah, I think that's why. I had my scanner up. Duh. Alright. Cool. Okay. So, once again today, guys, we have 5 articles. One about Celsius, and then them not paying their debts. One about Olympus DAO getting hacked. One about new retirement account rules. One about the budget deficit, and one about Joe Biden and his midterm predictions. Let's do it. So first article, Celsius Network defaults on payments to Core Scientific, causing financial unrest. Core Scientific claims to be losing approximately $53,000 per day to cover the increased electricity tariffs that Celsius refuses to pay. Okay, so, yeah, the Celsius saga continues. I did not even know about this. But, yeah, So Celsius alleges that Core Scientific delayed mining rig deployment and supplied them with less power than required under their contract. And, yeah, so Core wants their money, and Celsius is saying, we're not paying you because you didn't provide good service. Which is probably just an excuse because they don't want to pay them. So, yeah, they're pulling out all the tricks now. All the tricks to not pay whoever they owe money. So, just from the outside looking in, it does appear like Celsius is in the wrong here. But we'll see how it goes. They're going to fight it out in court. Am I surprised? Not at all. Celsius doing Celsius things. So still the victims haven't got their money back, and they're still defrauding everyone to save their own ass. What's new? So really sad stuff. Celsius is just, it's done. I mean, there's still hope, and I hope that the investors get their money back, but it's been really sad for Celsius. Okay. So if any more updates come out, which I'm sure there will be, I'll bring it to you guys. All right, next article. White Hat Hacker returns 300K gained from Olympus DAO exploit. The hacker had exploited the contract's bond fixed expiry teller, inability to validate the transfer request properly. All right, so I'm not that technical with crypto, but says the hacker exploited 30,000 OHM tokens worth 300K. But the hacker returns all the funds in 2 transactions. and it said the rest of their funds are safe. So, yeah, they got extremely, extremely lucky. So 300K isn't, that bad compared to all these other hacks we've seen for like 9 figures. But yeah, I don't know what the hacker was trying to do, just prove a point or something. Not many people would have given it back, or they would have done a bounty at least. Keep 30K, you get the rest of the money back. That's what these hackers usually do. But this guy just gave it all back. So I don't know what the guy is trying to prove. If he wants to show how smart he is, or I don't know what the motive is. But respect for returning the funds. Could have been really bad. So our latest exploit / hack here. All right. So this is probably the biggest article. Investors will be able to contribute up to $22.5K in 401k plans and $6,500 in IRAs in 2023. The IRS has increased the 401k plan contribution limits for 2023, allowing employees to defer up to $22.5K into workplace plans, up from $20.5K in 2022. So a pretty big increase there, $2,000. And the deposit limits will also increase for individual retirement accounts, jumping to $6,500 from $6,000. So yeah, $500 increase on your IRAs. So nice. I mean, you had to do this with inflation. But yeah, so if you guys want to write off more taxes, contribute more to your retirement plan. I wonder if apes even have retirement accounts. I'm sure most of them don't. If you work at McDonald's, they offer you a 401k. If you're like a cashier or a fry cook. All right, next article. U.S. budget deficit cut in half for biggest decrease ever amid C-19 spending declines. All right, so the U.S. budget deficit was sliced in half for fiscal 2022, the biggest drop in history following 2 years of huge C-19 related spending. The shortfall declined to $1.375 trillion compared to the 2021 deficit of $2.2776 trillion. Revenue posted easily the highest one-year total on record. The deficit decline would have been steeper if it had not been for the Biden administration's student loan forgiveness program. Okay, so this is good. This is very good. We're not spending as much money. Imagine if we were, we'd be in some big trouble. But yeah, so C-19 had to spend a lot of money. We're finally cutting back on that, so that's good. I'm sure we're still spending a lot of money though. And I agree with the last point. Everything Biden is doing now, all these programs, all this funding that he's doing, the what is it called, Build Back Broke? No, what's it called? Inflation Reduction Act. The Inflation Reduction Act is just Build Back Broke. So there's that, the student forgiveness, and then recently we saw he's giving all these EV credits out, and I don't even remember, like infrastructure. So this guy's just spending money like crazy. And which is good, you should invest in the country, but not now. This is not the time to be doing it. So yeah, I'm just kind of going in on Joe Biden right now for not helping inflation. But anyway, so this is good for the economy, not spending as much money. And look at Janet Yellen. She looked pissed. This is a bad picture of Janet Yellen. Okay. Is Janet Yellen married? I wonder how she looked when she was younger. Because age has not been kind to her. Time has not been kind to her. All right, last article. Biden predicts... So this is what we were talking about before. So Biden predicts Democrats' odds will improve as the midterm elections approach, citing economic improvements.
Bruh.
Okay. President Joe Biden predicted Democrats will fare better in the midterm elections as the economy improves. Okay. Polls have recently favored Republicans as concerns over the economy have eclipsed baby deletion. Back and forth with them ahead. Us ahead, them ahead, back and forth. These polls have been all over the place, Biden said, speaking at the White House. I think that we're going to see One more shift back to our side in the closing days. Okay. What the hell is this guy talking about?
Bruh.
What polls is he referring to? Where in the what in the economy is improving? The economy is not improving, bro. What are you talking about? Bro, they're just lying to your face. What? This is just not true. This is not true. I haven't seen any polls saying the Democrats are ahead. Maybe a few, but like not by much. Republicans are overwhelmingly leading in the polls, and I'm not sure what he's talking about with the economy improving. The economy is not improving, bro. But yeah, you know, Biden doing his best to save face and win midterms. But I think we all know it's going to be pretty bad for the Dems, for the Democrats. And we're going to be in gridlock for 2 years. The only thing improving is their pockets. Yeah. Both sides, too. Insider trading. Nancy Pelosi getting richer and richer. All right, so I don't know what this guy's smoking. What if he has dementia or what, or both. Probably does. I don't think he smokes weed, but he definitely has dementia. He's getting early dementia. So I don't know what the hell this guy's talking about, but okay. Believe it if you want to believe it. Cool. All right, that's all the articles for today. So we're a little bit behind now. It's 5:02, but we made up a lot of time there. Okay. So let's do one more scan, and then let's get on to Snap. And actually, guys, forgive me. Like I said earlier in the show, I did not have time to finish. I did the TA, but I need to get the earnings numbers and the upgrade numbers. So give me a few minutes. Again, apologies, guys. Bear with me. If you guys want to chat, you know, while I write some notes down, we can do that. Yeah, I just need to get the earnings numbers, EPS revenue, and the upgrade numbers. And then it shouldn't take too long. But yeah, after I get that, then we can do the TA on Snap. So, yeah, pretty unprofessional. So my bad, guys. I should have got prepared earlier today. All right. WTRH is still going up here. It's at 28% now. 25%. But other than that, I'm not seeing anything else. So yeah, no aftermarket action. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Biden shook 2 invisible people 2 different times. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Biden shook 2 invisible people 2 different times. You talking about his dementia? Maybe that's what you're talking about. That feel when you take a poop and feel 10 pounds skinnier? Yep, I feel you, dude. It's been backed up for a couple of days. You let it all out. And actually, if you weigh yourself, you actually are a few pounds lighter. Not 10 pounds lighter, that's a lot. But maybe like 2 or 3 pounds lighter. I feel you, dude. Okay. So let's get on to Snap, and let me see if they have the numbers here. I don't. All right, give me a couple minutes, guys. We can chat while we're doing this, but I have to go find some earnings numbers real quick. Hold up. Also, let me check the news too. So yeah, I'm all over the place with the TA today, guys. Okay, gotta write some of this down here in my notes. Give me a second. A lot of let me see here. Barclays 18. Bank of America 11. Credit Suisse 17. Jefferies 12. JP Morgan 8. Rosenblatt. 8. Goldman Sachs, 10. Bear with me, guys. I'm going as fast as I can. Evercore, Morgan. There's so many damn upgrades. Evercore, ISI, 14. Morgan Stanley, 7. Citi, Truist, Deutsche. Wow, there's so many upgrades, bro. Yeah, I should have did this before. I don't know why I thought I had enough time. Clearly not. Clown on me. All right, Citi, 9. Truist, 10. Deutsche, 9. Susquehanna, 8. How many damn upgrades are there, bro? I think I got them. Almost got them. RBC, 8. And Stifle, 9. UBS, 10. Bro, there's so many upgrades or downgrades. All right, I think I got them all. Cool. All right, almost done, guys. Almost done. Let me just get the EPS and the revenue. And double check for some news, and we're all good to go. All right, what we got here? All right. EPS. And revenue was 1.13 billion versus 1.41 billion. Okay. So got that. And let me just double check if there's any news. And we should be good to go. Biden shook one person hand on 2 different occasions. Oh, like he forgot and then he shook it again? Fed Bullard, I want rates to put significant downward pressure on inflation. Finally, somebody aggressive with wanting inflation to go down. Yeah, that's what all the Fed wants right now. But it's not working. They just keep raising it. It's not working. It will eventually. Damn, my wife said you take a big poop. Yeah, I think it's a bit exaggerated, but it does sound like Punk Skater has some huge deuces. Today I went to Wendy's and ordered a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, and they have the nerve to give me a sausage biscuit with no egg or cheese. Mind you, by the time I went home, breakfast was over. What the hell? I mean, you should go back and complain. I'm sure if you complain to corporate, not to be a Karen, but I'm sure if you complain to like corporate, or just go back and complain, they'll make it right. That's pretty messed up. And again with the Wendy's breakfast, I never had Wendy's breakfast, but I might have to try that because of you guys. Okay, the hell was I looking at? News. All right, Give me a minute or two more, guys. Let me just make sure there's no news, and we'll get started here. Okay. Oh, great. There's a few I missed. Can't accord. 12. Snap equals poop. Yeah, who even uses Snap anymore? Snap used to be a thing when I was in high school. You know, like, what, years ago? 10 years ago? Maybe more than that. I don't even know. I'm old, bro. Yeah, high school was like 10 years ago. I used Snapchat in high school. When like, Snapchat used to be for, you know, sending inappropriate pictures and then they disappear. That's what Snapchat was for in the beginning. Now people actually use it legitimately, but remember when Snap first came out, it was just like, you know, inappropriate photos. That was the whole point of Snap. Snap for high schoolers? I don't even know people who use Snap anymore. Even high school, TikTok. People use TikTok now. Snap is not really a thing. I mean, I do know some people that still use it, but TikTok is the big thing now. Do I have Piper Sandler here? No, I don't. Do you think SPY is doing a pullback next week? Not financial advice, but yes, probably. This was just such a big rip today. It just, I think it's gonna pull back. And we were just talking about, the market makers not wanting to pay out puts, and this is not confirmed, but we are making a guess that the market makers wanted wanted to pin the puts above the price, so all the contracts will expire worthless, and next week they'll tank it right back down. And you said your puts are effed, yeah. So again, the market makers likely effed your puts, and next week they're gonna take it back down. All right, Piper Sandler 9. Okay, oh, no expectations. Okay. That's why it went down so much. Okay. I see. All right, no guidance. Like the Chris Brown song. Okay, no guidance. Ends. Consumption. All right, cool. We're good now. Let's do the TA, guys. So, yeah. Sorry about that again. I was not prepared for today's show to do the TA. Or I just got started way too late. But we should be good now. Got EPS, news, upgrades. All right, I think we're good. Cool. Yeah, back then Snap was for pictures because the pictures disappeared in 24 hours? You mean like 5 seconds, not 24 hours. Market makers, F your puts. Yep. F your puts and F your calls next week. I feel because I got AMD puts. Yeah. So I guess if you bought options, if you bought puts, you got wrecked. But short sellers did pretty good today. Expiry 10/28. So, not looking good. Not looking good. Good luck there, dude. Rally mode today. Market was in fake market maker pump today. Fake market maker pump mode today. So that next week it goes right back down. Okay. Oh, wait, I also missed a few more hedge funds here. MKM 10 and Bernstein 9. Okay. Just double checking, making sure. Okay, I think we're good. Yes. All right. Cool, let's do it. Oh, wait a minute. That too. All right, give me another second. I need to import, because my Snap TA was on my old account. So I have to import the TA from the old account to the new account. I totally forgot about that. I totally forgot about that. All right. All right, give me a second here. Sorry, guys, all over the place today. All right, screen is not up. Yeah, let me import this real quick. Okay. How do I save this? All right, I think we're good now. Just gotta open the Snap chart. All right, there we go. There we go. Now we're good. Now we're good. Cool. All right, my bad, guys. All over the place, but we are good now. We are good. So here's the Snap TA. All right, now truly thank you guys for bearing with me. It's my fault for not being prepared today, and you guys are the real ones. All right, let's get on with the Snap TA here. My drawing sets. Set 2. Okay. All right, let's do it. Take a quick drink and then we'll do it. All right, let's go. So here is SNAP. Snap. This finishes at $7.76 today. That is down 28.08%.
And it's gone.
So we haven't analyzed Snap in a while here. Probably in a few months. And I'm pretty sure the last time we talked about the stock was during the last earnings. Which wasn't good. So for the past year, this stock has been getting absolutely wrecked. Down from the high. Let's see here. Down from the high of 83 all the way at 7 now. So very significant pullback. Which is not too surprising because Snap is falling behind other social media sites now. And it is a meme stock. But yeah, um, there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. Yesterday in the aftermarket, the company had earnings. So let's check that out. And then we also have a bunch of price adjustments. So let's check that out. So EPS was 8 cents, which beat the estimate of negative 1 cent. So that was a huge beat on EPS. And revenue was 1.13 billion, which missed the estimate of 1.14 billion. So a huge EPS beat, slight revenue miss. So overall, these earnings are pretty good. Revenue could have been better, but not bad at all. But I think what the market really cared about was the guidance. That was the big problem. Snap came out. Snap said Snap did not issue guidance for the next quarter. So very bearish there. And they also said that content consumption is down 5% in the US in the past year. Which definitely doesn't help them. And today we're getting a bunch of price adjustments. We got Barclays at 18, Bank of America 11, Credit Suisse 17, Jefferies 12, JP Morgan 8, Rosenblatt 8, Goldman Sachs 10, Evercore 14, Morgan Stanley 7, Citi 9, Truist 10, Deutsche 9, Susquehanna 8, RBC 8, Stifel 9, UBS 10, Canaccord 12, Piper Sandler 9, MKM 10, and Bernstein 9. So we have a pretty wide range of price targets here. On the lower end, we have $7, and on the higher end, we have $18. But for the most part, the hedge funds seem to think that the stock is worth more than it's currently at. The stock is worth more than it's currently at. But yeah, earnings weren't bad. Pretty good, actually. But it seems like the institutions really didn't like the guidance or the lack thereof. So today, it appears like today a lot of institutions pulling their money again. So the stock keeps on going down, but the chart is starting to look really bullish, which we'll get to in a second here. Okay. StockTwits. This was number 2 on StockTwits today, after SPY had over 6,500 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. Wow, Mullen is. What happened to Mullen? Mullen's at 40 cents? Bruh, hold up. Should I short Mullen? What? I'm going to short Mullen at 40 cents. I'm shorting Mullen at 40. I don't care. This is ridiculous. I'm shorting Mullen at 40 cents. Order's going in right now. Swarls, I'm telling you, it is not going to move next week. It is going to tank so hard next week. It's going to be the most epic sell the news. Not financial advice, but I've seen this over and over and over again where the apes just get hyped for this stupid catalyst and they all get wrecked. So, scared money don't make money. You know, you gotta get your money in there. I'm going short. I'd put a pretty big bet that it's gonna tank. Dude, it's sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Everyone's buying the rumor right now. It's not even a rumor, but everyone's buying the lead up to the news. Dude, it's gonna tank so hard. It's gonna tank so hard. The news. Nobody buys the people don't buy the news. People buy the news happens maybe 10%, 10 to 20% of the time. 80% of the time, it's like sell the news, dude. It's gonna sell the news. And these apes are gonna scream manipulation. I've seen it over and over again. More of the same. Alright. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Okay. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Can't really say where the bottom of the cup is because this is making lower lows. But there can be multiple possible tops. Yeah. It can be 11:30. $11.85. Or 12.65. Or 12.65. Let's see here. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle where this has the potential to go all the way back up to the high of $83. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be 11:30 or 11:80. 11.85, whatever I said. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Okay. We also have an inverse head and shoulders forming here. Back at around $10 and $11 was where the first shoulder formed. Today, after the sell-off, the head is forming. So all that's left. So all that's left is the second shoulder to form, and that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may break out to the upside. Six gap down. Okay. And then we do have a lot of gap downs here. Multiple gap downs. And then we do have multiple gap downs here. I think 6 gap downs. Let's count it. Of course, here comes a ambulance. 11:40. Okay. Oh. All right. The first gap down was created today, back at 1060. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1060 to fill this gap. Second gap down was back at 1245. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1245 to fill this gap. The third gap down was back at 1545. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1545 to fill this gap. Another one at 2170. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 2170 to fill this gap. How many are there, dude? There's a lot. Another one back at 3780. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 3780 to fill this gap. Did this one ever get filled? 4206. No, it didn't. Another one back at 42. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 42 to fill this gap. And the last one is back at 76. Or excuse me. And the last one is back at 73.90. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may come back up to 73.90 to fill that gap. Although, honestly, that's probably not going to happen. Not very realistic. So how many was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Yeah, so 7 gap downs. So 7 gap downs. Extremely bullish there. Extremely bullish. All right. RSI and MACD. Cool. Oops. Time is at 5:33. All right, pretty decent time. The MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, is currently at 29. So this is officially in oversold and undervalued territory. So the RSI is currently a bullish indicator that is telling us that the current price of 70 that is telling us that the current price of 776 should be a lot higher. Okay. And on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line, has crossed the signal line to the downside. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to sell. Okay. Cool. And now we're getting on to the TA. Sorry about the ambulance, guys. I'm gonna wait for this to pass, and we'll... And, yeah, we'll get into this. I gotta mute real quick. Alright, this shouldn't take too long. Then maybe Mullen will go up until Thursday, then tank on Friday. It hit 40? Did it? No, it didn't. I didn't get filled. No, it didn't, dude. It's about to. It's about to. I'm so... Oh, wait. It's about to. 39.98. Come on, give me the fill, bro. You know you want to. Give me the fill. It's so close. 3995. It's almost there. It doesn't want to give me the fill. Alright. They don't want to give me the fill. It's like right there. Oh, I'm so ready for this. So I covered at 34 and I'm going to reshort at 40. Full Chad mode. Okay. The hell happened to Acor? All right. Hopefully Mullen hits 40. It barely. It was right there. It didn't get there. I didn't get filled. Okay. Cool. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in this. The link to the chart is in the description down below. Okay. I don't even know where this line is coming from. Where all these lines are coming from. All right, we'll just roll with that for now. Okay. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 790, and let's redo this one. And 735. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 790, 905, 950, 990, 1020, 1060, 1085, 1120, 1150, 1180, 1180, 1220, 1245, 1280, 1310, 1360, 1405, 1440, 1485, 1515, 1550, 1635, 1710, 18, 1935, and then 2050. There is resistance above 2050, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 735, the all-time low. Is it the all-time low? I don't know if it's the all-time low. Yeah. And if this goes to the downside, the next level of support would be 735, the low. There's no support below 735. That would be uncharted territory. Pretty wide channels. So right now at the current price, 776. The channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 905 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 905 to the upside. But then after this breaks 1550 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get wide again. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1550 to the upside. And this did 244 million in volume today. Very significant volume, way above the average of 33 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion. Not financial advice. So again, it's been a really rough year for this stock. It just keeps making lower lows. And the sell-off really seems like an overreaction. This doesn't make this doesn't really make any sense. Because the earnings were pretty good. And the hedge funds think that the stock is worth more. The only bad thing was not having guidance. But that does not justify a 28% sell-off. So, technically, according to the charts, well, we have way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators right now. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, multiple gap downs, and RSI. And again, we have a bearish indicator in the MACD. So, great, here comes the ambulance. Yeah, Mullen's not going to hit. He doesn't want to fill me. He does not want to give me the fill. Maybe Monday. So I don't have to pay the borrow fee. That'd be nice. Damn, I am back. Customer called and placed an order with me for my bomber jackets and oscillating blades. I guess it's for your job. All right, get your money, dude. No problem. Thanks for being back. Okay. Cool. Why is this ambulance still so loud, bro? Okay. Mullen's going back down to 39. Didn't want to fill me at 40. That sucks. Okay. I think Snap will bounce up early next week. We'll see. Very, very possible, because this is way oversold. Anyway. What the hell was I saying? So technically, based on the chart here, the stock looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go along, not financial advice, this looks like an excellent entry to me. You really can't go too wrong here. Again, oversold, undervalued. All-time low. The hedge funds think it's worth more. A lot of bullish indicators. Let's see here. All right, this one's pretty tricky. Which one am I going to use? I think I'll use this gap down. Okay. So in the short term, this can realistically come back up to 1245 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 776, let's do some math. What was this? 1245. So from the current price of 776, that would be about a 60% upside potential. And it's pretty hard to tell how low this may go because we are getting into uncharted territory. But this really shouldn't go too much lower. It's gotten beaten down so much already. And it looks like it's due for some and it looks like it's due for a reversal. So I would say going along at the current price, 776 would be a low risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. You really can't go too wrong here. A lot of upside potential, not too much more downside potential. So I can support going long at the current price. And in the longer term, it has way more upside potential. So I can support going long at the current price, 776. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. But yeah, you really can't go too wrong here, buying in at the current price. Seems like an excellent play at the moment. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. That would not make... going short here would not make any sense at all. You could have went short anywhere, literally from $80 to $10, and here at 776, it's a bit too late to go short. You missed your chance, and going short now would probably result in you getting burned. For all the same reasons that going long is a good play right now, going short is a pretty bad play. Again, a lot of bullish indicators, oversold, undervalued, all-time low. Hedge funds are bullish. Again, in the short term, this may come back up to 1245, which would be about a 60% upside potential. And again, in the short term, this really shouldn't go too much lower and again, in the short term, this really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. So I would say going short at the current price, 776 would be a high risk, low reward play. Not worth it in my opinion. Doesn't make any sense. You'd be shorting for crumbs here and exposing yourself to a massive amount of upside risk. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But I really don't see why you'd go short here. Doesn't make any sense. Seems like a really bad idea. So I don't like the current entry of 776 on the short side. But I will say, if any of these gaps get filled, all of them would be some pretty decent entries to enter short. Yeah. So in summary, guys, pretty good earnings. But it didn't matter. The stock is getting wrecked today and all year. But this looks like a good buying opportunity. It really shouldn't get too much worse. As a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SNAP, Snap. Okay, so that took a lot longer than I expected, but, had to write down my notes, getting interrupted here all the time. So thank you guys for bearing with me. That was a little bit rough, a little bit choppy, but I will edit that into, I will edit that into a good video, either tonight or tomorrow. Okay, cool. I think it may take a while, but to get back up to the in the 12, but I think the sell-off was an overreaction and will climb slow next week as long as it doesn't break the 735. Yeah, that is some critical support there. You know, you don't want this to go any lower. That'd be really bad because, like I said, uncharted territory. So if it keeps going down, no one knows where it's going to go. So hopefully it doesn't happen. And yeah, it's not going to shoot back up to 12, but it should happen over time. There's a saying that one of our community members came up with. He's not here too often anymore, but it's Joe Roberts, and he said that bulls take the stairs up and bears take the elevator down, which is so true, so true. So, you know, bulls win in the long term, but it takes a very long time, slowly, making your way up there. And the bears come in and just eat everything, and everything just tanks instantly. So bears lose in the long run, but they win in the short term. And bulls win in the long run, but lose in the short term. That gap up for Snap be on everyone's WW coming next Monday. What is WW? Don't know what WW is. But yeah, good buy opportunity. Single call option for Snap. Talk about yours or what? Your paper trade? That feel when you walk in the club and they start playing Big Sean dance. S, yeah. Pretty old song. Shout out to Joe, he's real day one. Yeah, I guess he just got busy with life. He's not around anymore. So hopefully comes back in the future. Because a lot of you guys do get busy with life, but then you show up a couple months later again. And, you know, appreciate you guys. So hopefully he comes back, but if not, you know, I understand. Yeah, he was a real one. Hope he comes back. Watch list. All right, got you. All right, let's do another scan. And let's finish up with the Yolos. So it is 5:53. We're actually doing pretty decently on time. We should be out of here in 15 minutes. So I thought it was going to take a lot longer. So slow start to the show, but we caught up and we're doing pretty decently on time. What's this? CYCN? CYCN. Okay. Okay, nothing there. All right, so we'll just look at Market Chameleon one more time, and I'll pull up the Yolos here. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Okay. Oh, Cowboys down to 168. Nice. All right, not seeing anything except for WTRH, which is still pumping. It's up 32%. I may have to jump in that. I don't know. Okay. All right, let me pull up the Yolos, and we'll finish up the show here. All right, YOLO's loaded up, or loading right now. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put it in the excuse me, put it in the chat right now, and we'll get to that before we end the show. Favorite food for breakfast? I don't even eat breakfast that much. I don't know, dude. I'm gonna say bacon, egg, and cheese. When I do eat breakfast, I usually go to the deli and I get a bacon, egg, and cheese. Or hash browns or something. Any type of, meat with cheese, I like. Breakfast sandwich. I usually go for bacon, egg, and cheese. Or sausage, egg, and cheese. You should crop a pic of your ride in front of Tendy Town. Or a Lambo or something cool. That's an idea. I do have a really nice car that I never drive. So that's an idea. Yeah, why not? I'll take that into consideration, for sure. Or a Porsche. Yeah. I'd rather have my own car in there. Yeah, it's a Mustang. But that's a pretty good idea. I will definitely consider that. I'm not the best with, like, Photoshop and stuff like that, but that's a good idea. Alright, still loading here. Don't know what's taking so long. But we'll give this another minute and we'll finish up the show. Alright, so Saito is back in the red. Just barely, though. Cowboy, excuse me, Cowboy back at 170. Mullen didn't want to fill me. NXTP down to 28. Still holding that. That should cover on Monday. And Saito, I'm hoping that pulls back Monday as well. It's holding up pretty strong here, especially in the aftermarket. Did not expect that. Yeah, not many plays today. Just a lot of bag holding. Not even bag holding, just making money back from bags. Wall Street bets DD equals the smartest dumbasses. Bro, Wall Street bets DD is not DD. It's just, I think it's going to moon. Follow me, apes. That's all Wall Street bets DD is. All right, I don't know why this is taking so long to load. All right, there it goes. Looks like it's starting to... There we go. Okay, cool. All right, guys. So today, this should be fun. Nothing too serious. We have... How many? 12? 11? We have 11 YOLOs. A lot of memes and a lot of gain corn today. I think some lost corn as well, but mostly gain corn. Let's do it. First one by Ciav 8. Confirmed S&P 500 is a meme stock. Yep, Bitcoin's volatility falls below NASDAQ and S&P 500s for first time since 2020. So I've been saying this for a while now, and you apes are starting to realize that it's true. Yes, everything is a meme now. Literally everything is a meme. SPY is a meme. Blue chip value stocks, index funds are not supposed to trade like the way they are. Yeah, extremely volatile. Yes, it is a meme stock right now. Or at least it trades like one. And it will be for probably the next year or two. So, brace yourself, guys. A lot of price action, stupid price action incoming. All right, by Barney's Farm. The curse has been lifted. Long Nvidia. All right, so I got some news here. Kathy Wood snags Tesla shares, unloads Nvidia. All right, so Tesla, Nvidia, yep. So, you know, one of our favorite clowns here, Kathy Wood and Jim Cramer. We're not clowning on Cramer today. I don't think we are, at least. So we're clowning on Kathy Wood today. So yeah, this woman just knows she's the greatest swing trader, day trader ever. She lives by the motto. She lives by the motto on Wall Street Bets. Buy high, sell low. That's all this lady knows how to do. Buy high, sell low. And I'm surprised she's not broke. How is she not broke? All you do is buy high, sell low. You keep losing money. Who keeps giving you money, bro?
Bruh.
Anyway, so inverse Kathy Wood isn't really a thing, but it should be because it tends to work, or would work. Actually, it is a thing. SARK. S-A-R-K. Anyway, so, yes. Kathy Wood buying Tesla, selling Nvidia. So, not financial advice. But if history repeats itself, looks like Nvidia is going to moon and Tesla's going to sink. We'll see. Okay. I got some Elon memes now. By Ultimate Traders. Just going to quietly drop this here. Drop this right here. Any thoughts? So, Forbes. Elon Musk's fortune has fallen by more than $100 billion in less than a year. Okay. Yeah, I really don't think he cares. I really, really don't think he cares. To be completely honest. That's how it is, being rich, you know? You lose a lot of money, but it's still nothing to you. And you'll make it back eventually. So yeah, the way Tesla's been going, it went down by like half, right? So yes, of course he lost 100 billion. He lost a lot of money, but he's still pretty damn rich. Is he still the richest man in the world, or one of the richest men in the world now? Anyway, he's okay. It doesn't matter. He can take goods. You dumb apes here can't take goods. So any thoughts? Go, but he'll be alright. Alright, next one. By a real Alex Lifeson. Okay. Excellent. So Elon Musk vows to fire 75% of Twitter's workforce after admitting he and investors are paying too much in $44 billion deal. Okay. So, wow, this man is completely turning Twitter upside down. I don't know if he's destroying it, but, yeah, he's making some changes real quick. So, yeah, he's not playing. He's not playing, too. He's going to fire everyone and put in competent people and, you know, he's a businessman. It's not a public, this is a private company now. So, yeah, Twitter employees, be prepared. Might as well go submit a McDonald's or Wendy's application while you're at it before you get fired. But yeah, Elon Musk doing Elon Musk things. Power moves here. Gets banned by the SEC. Tells him to stay off Twitter, so he buys Twitter. And then, and now he's just going to fire everyone. He said, I'm not paying you guys. So yeah, you know, Elon Musk doing Elon Musk things here. According to Forbes' list of billionaires, Elon Musk is currently the richest man in the world. Net worth of $263.8 billion, increasing from $112.8 billion. Okay, yeah, I thought he was still the richest man. I'm not sure if that's after the numbers came out or before, but he doesn't care. He'll be alright. Whatever, bro. Well, Twitter employees will be behind the dumpster. Yeah, lined up, back to back to back. All right, enough of the memes. Let's get into the corn here. This one's by Robert Lemkin 20. Bear Rally Fun. Okay. So we're not gonna look at all this. That's a fat bear right there, eating good. All right, so yeah, SPXW and SPY calls. Yeah, so this guy just went full degen on SPY. Oops. So, I'm not going to go over everything he did there. But, yeah, so full degen mode, SPY calls. And he's up 200. I don't even know how much the YOLO was. Does it say cost basis? It doesn't even say. I don't care. But, yeah, he's up $258,000 today. 16%. All right, so the guy's rich. You know, he's worth over $1 million. So this guy can be doing stuff like this. I don't recommend it, but this guy can afford to take the loss. Should he do it? Probably not. So this guy is gambling responsibly, even though it doesn't seem like it. He is relative to his account. So, yeah, good for that. And yeah, massive gain here. Massive gain. When does it expire? November? October? All right, so this one expired. This one expires next week, and this one expires in November. Dude, you just probably just sell it all now. I'd probably just sell it all now. Anyway, so yeah, Robert Lumpkin 20, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Highly risky. Don't really recommend this to anyone, but you know, usually this would be a straight up gamble, but since you have so much money, this is actually just a risky investment. And the guy seems pretty legit. Like, he's not a total ape. Not a total crayon-eating ape. This guy definitely has experience. But yeah, massive gain here today. And he should just... And this guy's been around for a while. We reviewed quite a few of his posts. So I'm sure he's actually successful at this. Unlike 90% of the people on Wall Street bets. But yeah, major gain here. So well done, highly risky, well done. Don't really recommend it, but this guy does seem to be a pro. So congrats, dude. Enjoy the tendies, and hoping to hear from you again. Hit the sell button? Yes, hit the sell button. I think he knows that. Hit the sell button. All right, by Jetaway, Dead App Gain Corn. All right, so yeah, Epic Snap Gain Corn here. Snap FDs October 21st. Wow, look at this. So he had 420. you can't make this stuff up. He had 420 puts for Snap October 21st. So super FD, and it's a meme. 420 contracts. 8.5 strike. So it was a 7K YOLO. 7K YOLO. And he's up 38K. Which is 545%. Yeah, so definitely super YOLO. Super YOLO. And unlike the last guy, this guy cannot afford to lose his money. This was straight up lottery tickets. This was literally all the money in his account. 7K. All in YOLO. Snap. All in FD YOLO. Snap. And he's printing. Bro, why can't I get luck like this? These apes don't know what they're doing and just print, and then you know, you just struggle to make tendies here and there. It's just so annoying. But yeah, straight up gamble here. Straight up lotto tickets. And somehow he printed. Somehow, some way. So I guess thank the market makers, thank Jay Powell, whoever. Yeah, don't do this, guys. You really can't get too much more FD than this. And somehow it paid off. So congrats, dude. Jetaway. You got real lucky. Let's be honest. This was not you. This is completely luck. And enjoy the tendies, dude. Don't chuck it back. You know, you got lucky once. You're probably not gonna get lucky again. Just enjoy the tendies. Make smart decisions. Safe, smart investments. But I fully expect you to be back here with the 40K YOLO, 45K YOLO, and lose everything. Anyway, Epic Gain Corn, congrats to you. Enjoy. Make smart decisions. That's why I keep saying calls on options on Snap. Hey, it could be, but just the volatility, you know, the IV is too high. I'd rather go for shares, but, you know, high risk, high reward. All right, next one by Yura Jurek. Sold at open, inverse Wall Street bets really does work. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I can testify to that. Inverse social media tends to work. Inverse apes tends to work. Really does work. That's how I make my tendies. So yeah, this was a 75.6. All right, this is ridiculous. What the hell? All right. So 75.6K YOLO. 105 puts for Tesla. 215 strike expiring today. Super FD 75K YOLO. Okay, bro. But yeah, he sold it open, and he bagged 34.6K, 46%. Yeah, super Chad mode. He hit the sell. This was a day ago too, so he hit the sell button at the right time. Because if he held until today, would be a lot less tendies. Maybe it would have gone in the money too, or out of the money. No, it's actually still in the money. So yeah, it wouldn't have gone out of the money, but it would have been way less tendies, way less tendies. So yes, I agree. So you're a jerk. Thanks for posting. I don't recommend doing this, guys. This is highly risky. Don't YOLO 75K on lottery tickets unless you can afford to, which most people can't. So yeah, don't recommend doing this, but it paid off. And I'm glad that you sold when you did. You literally timed it perfectly. So a lot of luck here. Some skill too. This is probably like 40% skill, 60% luck. Anyway, so fat tendies. Enjoy them. And for the future, you should probably just chill out, you know. Because the more you do this, you will lose your money. But you haven't gone broke so far. Still reviewing you. So good luck, man. Congrats on the tendies. And looking forward to hear from you again. All right, 4 more. By Railblocks, 1995. Snap paid off my car. All right, so more Snap puts here. More Snap FDs. All expired today. 9, 9.5, 10, and 10.5 strikes. 5K YOLO. 5K YOLO, and he's up 15.4K. 303%. Yep. So another one, highly, highly risky. I don't really recommend doing this. But if you have 5K to YOLO, then I guess it's acceptable. But most people really shouldn't be doing this. So, yeah. Not the greatest strikes, not the greatest expirations, but well-timed. Luck more than anything. And, yeah, paid off. A lot of tickets paid off here. Straight up luck. This was not you, dude. So I'm glad I paid off your car. Did you already pay off your car, or are you planning to YOLO again and then take the tendies and pay off your car? Go pay off your car, dude. But yeah, so highly risky, but it worked out. Don't do this, guys. And glad it did work out. Glad you paid off your car, or going to pay off your car. But, you know, in the future, chill out with plays like this. This is not going to work most of the time. This is how the apes get trapped. They win once, they think they're a genius, they YOLO again, and lose everything. So yeah, Roblox 1995, thanks for hosting. Congrats to you, dude. Epic gain cord. Enjoy the tendies. Glad you can pay off your car, and good luck to you. And chill out in the future. Alright, by J Maldana 7. This is the guy who did the 50K Tesla YOLO, wasn't he? This is the guy with the 50K Tesla YOLO. Live to gamble another day. Alright, so this guy is down 50K from Tesla. Just putting that out there. But yeah, American Express. 20 puts. 145 strike. Super FD. Expired today. So this was a 8.5K YOLO. What is it called? Yeah. 8.5K YOLO. And he's up 12K. 138%. Did it work? 12 hours ago. Okay. Just barely worked. Just barely worked. I hope he sold it earlier in the day when this was lower. Anyway. So, I don't know if he sold or he held, but it finishes in the money. And, yep, he made some fat tennies here. Not sure if he actually held it and it's not worth this much anymore. But, yeah, made tendies here. So, still down 50K from Tesla. But, yes, live to gamble another day. He's still here, surviving. So, yeah, J Maldana 7. Thanks for posting again, dude. You are a legend. You have everyone's respect here. You are a Wall Street Bets legend. And I'm glad you didn't get wiped out by your Tesla YOLO, and you're still at it. And I hope you make your money back. So highly risky. Don't do this, guys. But sometimes it works. And epic gain cord here. So congrats. Enjoy the tendies, and looking forward to more YOLOs in the future. What time is it? 6:14. All right, two more. By Cairo Quactor. My sister asked me to manage her E-Trade portfolio. All right, who the hell still uses E-Trade, first of all? And what do we have here? All right, this is pretty impressive. So this is stock, okay? The guy's down 46K on stock. On Apple, Boeing, Alibaba, Disney, gold, match, and silver. He's down 46K, 46.5K. How, dude? What? I could kind of see how. He literally just bought everything at the high. That's one way to do it. He bought Boeing at the high, he bought Alibaba at the high, Disney at the high, Mesh at the high. So this is like extremely boomer play here, and somehow he's still down all this money. Down 33% of his portfolio, or his sister's portfolio. Super bad timing, yes. Very, very bad timing. So I don't think this guy understands how to chart. He doesn't understand RSI or anything like that. So at least I will say, if anything, you can just hold and you'll be okay in the long term. But damn, dude, yeah, I feel for you in this one. So you did the right thing. You did the right thing in being a boomer, investing like a boomer, and you still get wrecked. So, just bad timing. So, maybe you learn what RSI is. And shout out to the sister. Feel bad for her. But yeah, full boomer mode. Responsible investing, down 46.5K. It'd be like that sometimes. Alright, last one by Wolfpack Rider. The famous inverse, I'm effed. Giving my last shot next week. Alright, so, yep. Another ape who blew up his account. And one final YOLO, or he's done. Or it's back to Wendy's. So, I don't know why you'd YOLO this much money on FDs. Why do people YOLO their whole account on FDs? I don't understand. This is the dumbest thing you can do. Anyway, so bunch of FDs here. Netflix, Tesla, Shopify. More Tesla. More Netflix. More Tesla. More Netflix. What is he even doing? He has Netflix puts. But he has Tesla calls. He had Tesla puts. He had Netflix puts. Netflix went to the moon. He had Tesla calls. Tesla went absolutely BitConnect. And I'm not sure what Shopify did. But yeah, so he literally just all around really, really terrible. Just really terrible. Bad strikes, bad expirations, bad timing, and you just should have inversed yourself. Anyway, just all around terrible. Why is this guy? This guy needs to stop. Seriously. Just go hire a financial advisor. This is really bad. So, yeah, how much did he lose here? 10K, 15, 17, 20. It's about 25K, a little less than 25K. So, yeah, blew up his account. 25K gone.
And it's gone.
So, I'm not sure how much money he has left. But, yep, one more hoorah. One more YOLO next week. I'm rooting for you, dude. But, let's be real. It's back to Wendy's. It's back to Wendy's. So, I'll give him the, give him the dumpster. And I give him the doomer. I'll see you over here. So, Wolfpack Rider, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. I do feel bad, but this is totally your fault. So, what can you do? But I appreciate the lost core, and this is epic. And I definitely have reviewed this guy before, so I think this is it for him. All right. Cool. So that's all the YOLOs today. And we're done with the show, guys. So let's do one more scan and get out of here. Still just WTRH. Nothing going on here. We'll do one more scan here, but I think that's it. Yep, Mullen's down to 39. Boo. Yeah, Mullen that didn't work out. Didn't want to fill me. I'll keep the order in. NXTP sitting at 28. Kaba sitting at 171. Yeah, no more price action. All right, so yeah, WTRH is still mooning. I'm not gonna go for it. This is very sketchy. There was news yesterday, and it's mooning now in the aftermarket. Something is up. Some dark pool, shady stuff going on there. Other than that, I don't see anything else. SMTS. Nope, that's it. Okay, cool. So, yep, that's the show, guys. Press a call too high. Yeah, or just he made the wrong play. Should have went for the put and went for the call on Netflix. He will stop after his last YOLO next week. Yep, and back to Wendy's. No, don't short it. Yeah, I'm not going to short it. You talking about WTRH or Mullen? I'm going to short Mullen, but I'm not going to short WTRH. All right, cool. So that's the show for today, guys. Let me check YouTube real quick before we get out of here. I think it says one viewer. You might be the only. No, that's not right. Crawford and Swallows are here. So yeah, YouTube is tripping. YouTube is tripping. I don't think there's many people left, but it's definitely not one person. Anyway, guys. So yep, that is the show for today. Good stuff. Good stuff. Pretty long show. Almost 2.5 hours. I said 2 hours. I said at least 2 hours actually. And yeah, we went 2 hours 20 minutes. I thought we'd go closer to 3 hours, honestly. But yeah, good show. Good show. So really chill show. Yeah, we just kind of hung out in the beginning, and then so we made up for a lot of time. We wasted a lot of time today, and just chilling, and then I had to do my my fault again for being unprepared with Snap, but we got through that, and yeah, we did pretty good on time. So yeah, appreciate everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed today's show. Great way to end the week. Hopefully next week more attendees for Bulls and Bears. And that's all I got. So I'll catch you guys on Discord. And I catch you guys back here on Monday. They probably will drop bullish news soon for WTHR. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It just seems really weird. Mullen Monday, Moon. We'll see. We'll see. I still got the short order in for 40. We'll see if it hits. All right. So I think that's it. Yeah, WRTH did drop bullish news in the state. Yeah, but again, that was yesterday. That was yesterday. So it should not be mooning right now in the aftermarket. That does not make any sense. Why it's mooning now? So there was news, but that's not relevant to today in the aftermarket. So I don't know what's going on there. I'm staying away. Okay. So that's it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Appreciate everyone. Yep, fat tendies this week. Hopefully next week more tendies. Let's get out of here. Okay. Cool. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out. Later, guys.